Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Revolut to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance coin, BNB, from Revolut to Bitrue for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both Revolut and Bitrue apps installed on your device, and that your accounts are verified. Verification is key to avoid any delays or rejections. Start by opening the Revolut app and navigating to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your BNB holdings. Select the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, Revolut might have limits based on your account level, so keep an eye on that. Next, hit the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. This is where Bitrue comes in. Open the Bitrue app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the BNB deposit address. It's crucial to double-check this address to prevent any irreversible mistakes. Paste it into Revolut, and confirm the network. Stick with BNB Smart Chain for compatibility. Once you've entered the details, review the transaction fee and total amount. Fees can vary, so this is your chance to ensure it's worth it. Hit Confirm, and wait for the processing, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your Bitrue account for the incoming funds. One common pitfall is using the wrong network. Always match it to BNB Smart Chain to avoid lost funds. Also, in 2025, Revolut might have enhanced security features, like two-factor authentication, so enable that for safety. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your BNB to Bitrue. Now you can trade, stake, or hold it as you please. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.